You're never going to believe what's happened. The police investigation has been called off. There wasn't enough evidence. And yes, I know there was always the possibility that this could happen, with it being my word against his. But wow, now that it has really happened, it doesn't feel good. The aim of reporting it was to reduce the possibility that he could possibly do this again in the future. That was the whole reason for this. And you know what? I'm not even angry at the system. This thing happened 25 years ago. There's no evidence for us to look at. But let me tell you what I am really angry at. It's him. He's the one that did all of this. And now he wants to pretend like nothing ever happened, denying everything. I tell you what, I feel like just finding him, finding out where he lives and go knock down his door. He literally would freeze to see me now as a grown man. I'd walk directly up to him. I'd grab him. I bet you never thought you'd see me again, did you? I'm going to make you admit what you did. I said admit it! I tell you something, to hit him with everything I have got over and over again would feel incredible. To really feel my hand connect. And trust me, I would not stop until he begged me. But once I have finished with him, would this have actually changed anything? Or will he be that same man with that same sexual desire for children that he has got somewhere deep inside of him? It is this desire that I feel needs addressing if we stand any chance of him not doing this, reducing the chance of him doing this again in the future. I don't think a beating is going to help us here. Do you? So, with violence, I'm crossing violence off the list of options that I have. And with prosecution also off the list now. What do I do now? What option do I take now? This is something that is on my mind constantly. And I've just been thinking, I need to find him and approach him. I need to meet him. If I could just approach him and show him that I am not stopping at anything, I just think that would be a start. Because the alternative of doing nothing, I just don't think is a good move. Thank you for listening.